Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can connect Instagram with Webflow. This will be very simple and easy video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. So integrating Instagram with Webflow turns your site into a dynamic hub that reflects your social presence. While Instagram doesn't offer an official Webflow app, you can use clonable templates for instant setup, use embed methods for quickly displays, and build custom solution using Instagram's Graph API for advanced functionality like automated content synchronization and shopping features. So, first, you can use the clonable templates in widget. The way to integrate Instagram with Webflow by using pre-built Webflow template that handle the technical complexity for you. There is the Bricks Instagram feed clonable that delivers a fully functional feed in under 15 minutes. So it is semi-automated. It's updated throughout Zapier integration, which requires ongoing management, and native Webflow performance within customizable layout matching your brand, and minimal maintenance after initial setup and Zapier configuration. So, first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and get yourself this one. So, clone in Webflow. So, I'm going to go ahead and click on clone in Webflow. And here, as you will be seeing, Instagram feed Webflow clonable Bricks agency. So, I'm going to create a site. Here, let's keep it as it is, create site. And now what you need to do next is basically to have yourself a Zapier account. So let's go ahead and go to Zapier. And from Zapier, you would be opening the site like this. You will have mini zaps that you have created all the way. You can here access your trash can. Here you can basically view every single zaps that you have created. For me, I'm going to create a new one. So let's go to Zaps. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose this trigger to be Webflow. Or we can choose it to be actually Instagram. So let's choose it to be Instagram this time. So what we're gonna do is basically whenever there is something published on Instagram, I want it to be published here on Webflow. So here Instagram, choose events, new media posted in my account. And here I'm gonna go to Webflow and I'm gonna choose an event and I'm gonna, for example, update something. So create item, add new item to a given collection. And then simple just like that, I'm going to click on continue. And here, of course, you should connect your account, choose configure. Here, choose your site. This site hasn't been published yet, so I should publish to select domains. And once you publish it, it's very simple from there. You simply have to choose it from here, click on finish, and then publish. And this synchronization and connection should be gone without any problems. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.